Listen to this. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrated that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the Sahaba that Atadruna man al-muflis? Did you people know who is the poorest? They said, Al-muflisu fina man la dirham lahu wa la mata'. The poorest among us is the one that doesn't have money and he doesn't have property. But Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said no. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said no. The poorest in my al-ummah is the one that will come on the day of al-qiyamah bisalatin wa zakatin. He is going to come with plenty of salah and zakah and also and fasting and siyam. وَيَعْتِ وَقَدْ شَتَمَ هَذَا. But he has been abusing this person on the surface of the heart. He has ate the money of the person that doesn't belong to him on the surface of the heart. So he has done so many bad deeds to people on the surface of the heart. So those people will be coming on the day of Al-Qiyamah and they will be taken from what he has done in good deeds. They will be taken from it as a revenge. So they will be taken from it, and there will be nothing left to this person in good deeds, and it will still be remaining. There will still be some people that will be remain that this person supposed to pay. So when all these good deeds has finished, and there are still some people that he has not paid, so they will now take from their own bad deeds. They will join it to these people, to this person bad deed. So and from that, it will end up in entering hellfire. The Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from entering hellfire. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that this is the poorest among my ummah. So please help us share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Arridowy Lectures TV. Follow us on Instagram, on TikTok, on all social media platforms. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.